Hey everybody, got a few more cases of Hot Wheels to get opened up. I'm not for sure of the release on it. These are pretty new. They just came in, so I'll have to look at that once I get them all opened up. See if we can get something out of here. I opened up the last case. We didn't get a single treasure hunt out of it. It's kind of surprising me. Generally, I always get one. I don't know if they're just not doing as many of them or now. But I don't know. It's been a little while since I've been opening cases. We'll go through this thing and see what we get out of here. See if I can spot anything. I don't really know which one is in here that could potentially be in here, so we'll have to take our time and go through them a little bit. See if I see any THs on them. It's kind of a neat dirt car. 90s NSX. Always wanted one of those. It's a big old dirt speed dozer. Got muddy tires and everything. That thing's pretty pink. What the heck it is? Birthday burner. Kind of wild looking. Haven't ever seen that casting. Might be new. Liberty Walk. Porsche. There it is right there. Treasure hunt. I thought I got that in the last case too. I'll have to go down and look. Can't remember which one we got exactly, but now I can see it on there. It's right there. We'll set that one aside. We got here kind of flattened out Aston Martin. High speed one. Volkswagen Transformer. Drag Tour. Dark Horse Mustang. Mazda RX-7. Gordon Murray T50. I don't know what that thing is. Must be something custom. I'd be scared to buy one of those cars just if it's real, you know, because I mean you need a lot of money to, because that something breaks, you're just gonna have to take it to the right person. It's not like a shop you can just drive a Corvette to. Tesla. That thing. Mustache. Silverado. Plastic base. See if this thing's got them. Nope, it's plastic too. Loopster, they've been making that thing a long time. Trash truck, that thing looks pretty cool. I've never seen that one. Total Disposal. Another Lotus that came out of the last case. High Roller. It's a Batman Arkham car. Silverado. Dodge Charger. Yeah, I guess. Oh, it's tuned out. McLaren, there's a nice car. Another one. Except for a different color. Different version too. One was a P1, one was an F1. Koenigsegg. Guess that's how you pronounce that. Rolling Solo. What in the heck we got going here? Another mustache. Track-a-wagon. Mercury Cougar. Another one of those birthday burners. There's a motorcycle. Flat tracker. Tread shredder. It's a dirt one. Alfa Romeo. Leeway Gravel Crew. Another Mustang. We got here Art Car Speed Bump. Looks like it been ran over by a monster truck. Honda S800. That's nice looking. Almost doing stuff that looks like Matchbox. So, you know, trucked out, things like that. You hardly ever see Hot Wheels doing these. It's neat looking. I like that one a lot. Shelby Cobra. Tesla. Bugatti. Lamborghini Huracan. What we got here? Volkswagen T3 Custom race version. It's got aerodynamics on it. It's crazy. Silver High Roller. Toyota Supra. RX-7 GT. Like that car. Mailed it. Hot rod. Tune car. Art car. Another art car. Another Huracan. I got here Rink Racer, Hockey Rink, Zamboni, Works GT, Tesla truck. Not really a fan of that thing. See lots of them on the roads now. At least in our area. I live near Kansas City. See one of those things pretty much every day now. Supra, tuned out, 2 of those. What we got here? Desert Drifter. Look at that thing. Aston Martin. Another one of those Volkswagens. Chevy Silverado. Lamborghini. Retroactive. Porsche Carrera. 66 Triumph Tiger 100. I've never seen that casting. It feels pretty heavy. Batman. Another Mailed It. And the last one is a Dodge van. Well, most of those will be in my eBay store if anybody's looking for some Hot Wheels to fill up their sets that they haven't been able to find in the wild or something. I try to sell them as cheap as we can, but dang, the shipping is what makes everything high. So we started doing them in groups. So you get 2 or 3, you know, in one mailing, and makes it better. Not sure what this one is. Vintage. Let's see, custom Datsun 240. I wish they would put these in a little bit bigger box. I mean, look how much is pressing in on them. And look at them, you know, they're coming out bent. I mean, how hard could it be to make the box, you know, a little bit wider. 2000 GT. Datsun. Ford Mustang 302. Ford Maverick race version 2. Another one. 62 Corvette race version. And another one. Alright, I have another case here. Let's see what this thing is. Some Marvel series something. Oh, I already had this one come in, I think. See if there's something different in here. Mona. Rocket car. Rocket the Raccoon, that is. Oh, we got this one. Wazowski from Monsters, I think. Wolverine. Thanos. Stitch. Elsa. And the last one. That's pretty cool. I like that one. Jack Skellington. That wasn't in the last one I got, so that's probably the neatest looking one. So I like that card. And of course we pulled this treasure hunt. If you guys are looking for anything, please check out our store. All these will be on there. So they'll probably put them up in the next couple days or so. Alright, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. We'll talk to you soon.